Graydon, what day is it today? Can you turn and look at Daddy? What do you have?
A present.
For who? Can you open them on the floor so Wilson can help?
Nope. You hold these?
Yes, I will let Wilson get them. I promise. Wilson won't get your presents.
I don't get this bubble.
Can you bring it to me and I will help you? Or Dad will help you?
Should I show you a trick, Graydon? Here. I'll help. Go like this. Pass it my way.
Give it back. Pull it down toward you.
Wilson likes that present. I bet you smell. Do you smell puppy dog? It's puppy dog wrapping paper, Graydon.
I didn't even notice that.
Is Wilson on there?
Oh
Do you know who that present is from? It's from Dad's Aunt Artie. And Artie has puppies at her house.
no.
He's just sniffing.
He's using his...
Granny, pick the present up and shake that green stuff off. Just pick it up.
What do you think's in there?
Come here, might help you, honey. I'll help you. Okay, now go back over there so Daddy can see what you're doing. Come here, Wilson. Come here.
What's in there, Graydon?
What is it?
What is it, Graydon?
What happened? Yeah, open the box. Oh, does the box have tape on it?
Should Daddy help?
I tried to do stupid table. I tried to do stupid
You
table.
don't call it stupid tape. Come here and give Mama help.
I tried to do
Silly tape.
What is it, Graydon?
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Whoa, Graydon, what is it?
He's got new jeans.
Those are cool, dude, Graydon.
And a shirt.
Can I see your shirt?
Hold him up for that. You get to be just like Grandpa. Wear a flannel shirt like Grandpa. Where's your spenders at? Mom, go get you some spenders. Honey. But Grandpa wears shirts just like that.
Do you like that?
You get to say comfy cozy in that one. It's okay. It's just a